Okay, good morning students. Welcome back to the theory of equation chapter. See, today I will introduce a new concept, that is reciprocal equation. See, before going to do a problems on this concept, what is a reciprocal equation? See, let me write here. Reciprocal equation. Suppose, see, I will write a polynomial equation of nth degree. See here, a0 x power 1, a1 x power n minus 1, a2 x power n minus 2, and so on, plus an equal to 0. You know, this is a polynomial equation of nth degree because it is nth degree. And you write what is the before term, plus a n minus 1 of x. Okay. Here, you know, a0, comma, a1, a2, etc., an are coefficients. Okay, nth degree. Now, suppose you observe this polynomial equation, the coefficient of highest degree, highest power n, x power n equal to a0. Suppose if a0 or a0 equal to this an, first term coefficient, last term, it means it is a constant. And second term is there is a1 equal to reverse order, this one an minus 1. Suppose a2 equal to before this term an minus 2, like this, then we call it as a reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation. See, for example, suppose 3x cube plus 7x square minus 5x plus 7 plus 3 equal to 0. Just observe that equation. You know, no doubt there is third degree equation. You observe this one, 3x cube minus 7, plus 7x square minus 5x minus 7 minus 3 equal to 0. See, you observe these two. Here, 3x cube, 7x square, both are 1 and 7, 5x is okay. Here, plus 7 is there, here minus 7 is there, plus 3 is there, minus 3 is there. Suppose this is another example for a polynomial equation. Okay, we can give so many examples. Okay, here for these two, this is a class 1 equation of nth order. This is also class 1 equation, but here see, what is the degree? This is third degree equation. Okay, class 1 degree. This is come to the class 2. Class 2. Here the coefficients are opposite in sign. See, let me write a chart. You can easily understood. See here, reciprocal equation. Suppose see, reciprocal equation. See, it can be derived into two types. That is class 1 and here class 2. These are two types. See, when we say, or when can we say it is a class 1, and when we say that is class 2, or how can you recognize given whether the given equation is class 1 or class 2? Okay, in class 1, suppose if a0 equal to the last an, or and a1 equal to an minus 1, this is then we can say it is a class 1 equation. Just I have given an example. For class 2, suppose if a0 equal to minus an, or a1 equal to minus of a minus a n minus 1, then we say that is class 2 equation. Class 2 equation. Here a0 equal to an, a1 equal to a n minus 1. Okay. Again this one is derived into 2. Again even odd. Here also this one also derived into even and odd. It means odd degree, even degree. See, again the class 1 is derived into even, odd. Class 2 also derived into even and odd. Of course, you can do some problems you can easily understood, but I am writing a theory part. Suppose if it is an even means x to the power of 4, some 5x cube, like that. Even degree. Odd means x cube minus 7x, like that. It depends upon degree. Even degree, odd degree. Here also the class 2 also divided into even degree, odd degree. See, suppose if it is in a even degree, what I am saying, we have to divide the equation by x square and put or let x plus 1 by x equal to some a or p. Suppose if it is in an odd degree, compulsory if we have a minus 1 is a one of the roots. Minus 1 is one of the root. You can easily understood this one by doing the problems. After that I will do a problem. Here also in the class 2, it means if a0 equal to minus an, a1 equal to minus of an minus 1, that is a class 2. In this also even. When we say it is in a even means, here we have two roots, plus 1 minus 1 are two roots. Two roots. Suppose if it is odd, we have 1 is one of the roots. Suppose it is a fourth degree equation, already if it is class 2, we have plus 1 minus 1 are two roots. We have to find the remaining 2. Here, suppose if it is in a class 2 equation of the order odd, so compulsory plus 1 is one of the roots. Suppose if the given equation is, that is given reciprocal equation is class 1 equation of the odd degree, minus 1 is the one of the roots. If it is a fourth degree, see, fourth degree means even, third degree, fifth degree, seventh degree, they are odd. So one root is compulsory minus 1. We have to find the remaining roots by synthetic division method. See, I hope you understood this one. So you can easily remember this by doing problems. See, just see, I will do a problem. It means reciprocal equations are derived into class 1 and class 2. See, let me do a problem so you can get easily idea. Of course, these are very simple problems. Let me write a simple problem to you for practice. See, please involve and you practice more than 2 problems on this model. See, I will do a problem. See what is. Solve the equation x to the power of 4 minus 10x cube plus 26x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. This was only x cube, x to the power of 4 minus 10x cube plus 26x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. This is the equation given to you. We have to solve. Means we have to find the roots. How many roots are there? X to the power of 4 means it has 4 roots. Okay. Next, first you write given equation is x to the power of 4 minus 10x cube plus 26x square minus 10x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation given to you. Next, you have to see whether the equation is class 1 or class 2. You have to decide. No doubt, 4th degrees, this is even. You come on next. For even means the quotient of x to the power of 4 equal to 1. See, last constant is equal to 1 plus 1 5. Now you compare with a0 x power 1, a1 x power n minus 1, a2 x power n minus 2 and so on, an equal to 0. You also write better right before term, a n minus 1 into x. Okay. Now see, it means a naught equal to an or a1 equal to a n minus 1 or a2 equal to before the term. So we can say it is a class 1 equation. No, and totally it is even class 1 reciprocal equation of class 1 of the order 4. Okay? Okay. Now see, here 1, the quotient is last term is constant is also 1. Now you see the quotient of the next term, x cube term, this is minus 10, here also minus. Next 26, okay, 26. So no doubt this is an equation of class 1. Here degree is 4 or 4th degree. It is 4th degree reciprocal equation of class 1. You can write any both are same. See how to solve. Now we have to solve the equation. What is the equation? Just I have given, we have to divide by x square. See, now let it be 1. What else? Divide both sides of 1 by x square. What happens? I will write directly x to the power of 4x by x square means x square minus 10x plus 26 minus 10 by x plus 1 by x square equal to 10 by x by x square means 10 by x. This is the equation. See, here x square term is there, here also x square, of course it is in denominator. You write aside x square plus 1 by x square, put in a bracket. Here you write here, you take common 10x plus 10 by x. Next remaining term 26 equal to 0. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. So it will become, it implies x square plus 1 by x square. You take 10 as a common here. Minus 10 into x plus 1 by x plus 26 equal to 0. See, in the class 1 equation of given degree, see, we divided that 1 by x square, that is first step. After that, what is the second step? Put x plus 1 by x equal to some a, p, okay, other than x and x. Suppose let x plus 1 by x equal to some a. Then what is x square plus 1 by x square? You know, x square plus 1 by x square you can write x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. It means a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Here minus 2ab is there, the both will cancel. So you can write x square plus 1 by x square equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. You know, this is, you did so many problems in the 6th and 7th class on this formula. Here see, x plus 1 by x, that is a square minus 2. See, the value of x square plus 1 by x square equal to a square minus 2. If you write x plus 1 by x equal to a, now this equation becomes, what happened? This part is a square minus 2. A square minus 2 minus 10a plus 26 equal to 0. Then implies a square minus 10a, okay, 26 minus 2, 24. equal to 0. Now see, we have, after simplification, we have a quadratic equation in A. No doubt, it has two roots. A square minus 10a plus 24 equal to 0 has two roots. How to solve? It means, 24, 1 into 24 equal to 24. We have to find the factors of 24. Okay, see, 6 4s are 24. Okay, see, we want the middle term is minus 10. Or you can write this one as minus 6 into minus 4 equal to plus 24. 6 4s are 24, minus into minus plus, no doubt. So you can write this minus 10a as the sum of these two terms. It means a square minus 6a minus 4a plus 24 equal to 0. See, minus 6 rupees minus 4 rupees is equal to minus 10. Okay. Take common. A is common. A square minus 6a. You take 4 common. A minus 6 equal to 0. So minus 4a plus 24. Again you take common. A minus 6 into a minus 4 equal to 0 implies a equal to 6 or a equal to 4. See, we have two roots because this is the second degree equation. See, in our problem there is no a. The problem is given into in x terms. See, what is our a? Suppose, see, you take two cases. You can observe the roots in case 1, case 2. See, if a equal to 6, here, if a equal to 4. Let us find the remaining two roots or rest of the roots. See, what is a? A equal to x plus 1 by x equal to a. It means x plus 1 by x equal to a means 6. Or cross multiplication, or take LCM and take cross multiplication. X square plus 1 equal to 6x. Directly, I have written the same step. X square plus 1 equal to 6, or x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, again we have second degree equation, quadratic equation. So you can write x square minus, roots. What are the roots of 1? Okay, 1 into 1. I can write one more step here. 1 into 1. We have to find the roots of 1. See, you can write, we want 6. How can you find the 6? See, we have no roots. 1 into 1 equal to 1. There is no roots for directly. You can write directly. You can apply the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. See here, minus, the formula minus b plus or minus under square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You apply that formula, you can get the roots. Or x equal to minus b means minus of, minus means plus 6, plus or minus b square 36 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 1, 4 into 1 into 1 by 2a, 2 into 1, 6 plus or minus 36 minus 32, 36 minus 4, we have 32 by 2. Find the roots. This is 6 plus 32 by 2 or 6 minus 32 by 2. You can find 36 plus 32. What is the that root? See here, 36 minus 24, 30. See students here. What is the under root? We have 32. Okay, you can simplify 6 plus 32 by 2 or 6 minus 32. 38, you can simplify, you can add 6 plus 32 equal to have 38. Okay, or 6 plus 32, sorry, here root is there. 6 plus 32, it means 6 plus 32, 16 2 is 32, okay. 16 2 is 32, on the root we have 2. 6 plus or minus 16, 4 root by 2. Again you take 2 common, so we will get 3 plus or minus 2 root or 3 plus 2 root 2 or 3 minus 2 root 2. Simple this one is. Now you take second case. Same procedure, a equal to 4. It means x plus 1 by x equal to 4. Again x square plus 1 equal to 4x. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, you are very familiar with this one. Again, you apply the formula. This formula you apply. Again, you will get 2 more roots. So, I will leave this one for your homework. You can get 2 roots. So, finally, the roots are 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2, and write the remaining 2 roots. Okay, you can get the answer. See, this is very, very simple and easy. It will come for 7 marks. This 7 marks important problems. Okay, I hope you understood the procedure. We will meet again in next video. Okay, thank you.